It's that time for some new underwear, and decided to try a new brand. So today, I got a 5-pack of moisture wicking, anti-chafing, performance underwear. They're stretchy, don't ride up, and are so lightweight you hardly notice that they're there. And this pack comes shipped to your door, ready to hold your junk in place as well. Inside, you can find 5 different pairs of underwear. It comes with a pair of black, blue, another black, gray, and then a red that has a unique pattern. The waistband is stretchy, and the fabric feels nice. It has an open fly pouch in the front, and when I put them on, I was instantly impressed. They're true to my size, and you can hardly even tell they're there. I wore them around for a bit, and they felt great. And then I forgot I wasn't wearing anything, and took my huskies for a hike. And during the whole hike, the underwear never rode up, because they're stretchy and hold to my legs perfectly. I didn't have to adjust them, pick any wedgies, or anything. Just put them on and forget about them. I have no complaints, and I think I found my new favorite underwear. So if you want a pair of underwear that doesn't ride up or bunch up, one that feels great and looks nice, a pack of these might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike. See ya.